Ever wondered about the invisible energy centers within your body known as chakras? These are not mere figments of the imagination, but rather integral parts of our existence that have been acknowledged and studied for centuries. Their roots can be traced back to the ancient spiritual practices of India, where they were first identified and documented. Chakras are essentially energy vortexes within our bodies, serving as the bridges between our physical and spiritual selves. Imagine them as spinning wheels of energy that keep our life force, or prana, flowing freely. When our chakras are in balance, we experience life at its fullest, with a sense of peace, vitality, and well-being. However, when they are blocked or imbalanced, it can lead to physical, emotional, and spiritual discomfort. Now, you might be wondering, how many chakras are there? While some texts mention dozens of chakras, we will focus on the 7 main ones that align along the spine, starting from the base and ending at the crown of the head. Each of these chakras is unique, with its own characteristics, functions, and related elements. For instance, the root chakra, located at the base of the spine, is associated with our basic survival needs and a sense of grounding. At the other end of the spectrum, the crown chakra, situated at the top of the head, connects us with the divine and the universe. In between, we have 5 other chakras, each governing different aspects of our lives, from creativity and personal power to love, communication, and intuition. Understanding these chakras and how they influence our lives is crucial. It's like having a roadmap to navigate through life's challenges. It helps us identify areas where we may be stuck and provides us with the tools to restore balance and harmony. In this video, you will learn how to balance these energy centers for a healthier and more harmonious life. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of chakras and chakra balancing. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. But what happens when these chakras are out of balance? Well, imagine a river flowing freely, its waters clear and vibrant. Now, picture the same river, but blocked by debris, its flow stifled and its waters murky. This is essentially what happens when our chakras are imbalanced. The energy within us becomes stagnant, leading to a range of physical and emotional issues. Each chakra governs specific aspects of our being, so when a chakra is imbalanced, it can manifest in various ways. For instance, an imbalanced root chakra may result in feelings of insecurity or fear, while a blocked heart chakra can leave one feeling disconnected or unloved. Physically, the effects can be just as profound. An imbalance in the throat chakra might lead to throat or thyroid issues, while an imbalanced solar plexus chakra could cause digestive problems. It's quite intriguing how our energetic health ties in with our physical and emotional well-being, isn't it? But the good news is that chakra imbalances are not permanent. They're like roadblocks on our energetic highway. And just as roadblocks can be cleared, so too can chakra imbalances. This is where chakra balancing comes into play. Chakra balancing is the process of restoring the harmonious flow of energy across the chakra system. It's akin to tuning a musical instrument. When the strings of a guitar are in tune, they produce a beautiful melody. Similarly, when our chakras are in balance, they create a harmonious flow of energy that enhances our overall wellness. Chakra balancing is not a luxury. It's a necessity for maintaining our physical and emotional health. Just as we take care of our bodies through exercise and a balanced diet, our chakras too require regular care and attention. This understanding of chakra imbalances and their effects is the first step towards achieving energetic balance. It's like having a map in your hands. Once you know where the imbalances lie, you can chart a course towards balance and harmony. Now that you understand the importance of balanced chakras, let's take a deeper look into the process of chakra balancing. Chakra balancing might sound complex, but it's a process you can learn and practice at home. Much like tuning a musical instrument, chakra balancing is about finding the perfect pitch or energy frequency for each of your 7 chakras. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of this fascinating practice. Our first step is awareness. Developing an awareness of your chakras is the cornerstone of chakra balancing. Each chakra is associated with specific parts of your body and certain aspects of your emotional and spiritual well-being. Starting from the root chakra at the base of your spine to the crown chakra at the top of your head, try to sense each one. You may not feel a physical sensation, and that's perfectly fine. The goal here is to tune into your body and mind and gradually build an understanding of your own chakra system. Now, once you're familiar with your chakras, the next step is cleansing. This is where we aim to clear any blockages that might be disrupting the flow of energy through your chakras. There are several methods you can use for chakra cleansing, including meditation, yoga, and sound therapy. Each of these techniques works by shifting your focus to each chakra, visualizing it being cleansed and letting go of any negativity or stress that might be causing blockages. This process can be likened to clearing a riverbed of debris, allowing the water to flow freely once again. Moving on, the third step in the chakra balancing process is activation. Activation is all about energizing and waking up your chakras. This can be achieved through a variety of techniques such as affirmations, color therapy, and physical exercises specific to each chakra. The idea is to focus your intention on each chakra, visualizing it glowing brightly with its associated color, and repeating affirmations that resonate with its unique energy. For example, for the heart chakra, you might visualize a vibrant green color and repeat affirmations of love and compassion. The final step in our chakra balancing process is, of course, balancing. This step is about bringing all your chakras into harmony with each other. Just as a choir is most beautiful when all voices are singing in harmony, your energy system is most powerful when all chakras are balanced and working together. Balancing can be achieved through techniques such as meditation, guided imagery, and even certain types of breathing exercises. Here, you're striving for an overall sense of peace and equilibrium. Now, it's important to remember that chakra balancing is not a one-and-done process. It's an ongoing journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Just as you wouldn't expect to become a skilled pianist after one practice session, you can't expect to master chakra balancing overnight. It takes time, patience, and above all, practice. So start small. Begin with just a few minutes a day, gradually increasing the time as you become more comfortable with the process. Be patient with yourself, and remember that it's not about achieving perfection. It's about tuning into your body, understanding your energy, and creating a sense of balance and harmony within yourself. Also, try not to get too caught up in the specifics of each step. The process is flexible and can be adapted to suit your personal needs and preferences. What's important is to listen to your body and trust your intuition. Your body is wise, and it will guide you towards what it needs. Finally, keep in mind that chakra balancing is a holistic practice. It's not just about focusing on one chakra at a time, but about understanding how they all interact and influence each other. So even if you're focusing on balancing one specific chakra, remember to pay attention to the others as well. In conclusion, chakra balancing is a deeply personal and transformative process. It's an invitation to tune into your body, to listen to its wisdom, and to cultivate a sense of balance and harmony within yourself. And the beautiful thing is, it's a journey you can embark on right here, right now, from the comfort of your own home. With practice and consistency, chakra balancing can become a part of your daily routine. It's not just a practice, it's a way of life, a way of living that brings you closer to your true self, helping you to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at just how much it can transform your life. There are several techniques you can apply to balance your chakras. Let's dive into it. First, we have meditation, a practice that has been around for centuries, and for a good reason. Meditation is a powerful tool for balancing chakras. It works by allowing you to focus your thoughts and energy on each chakra, thereby promoting balance and harmony. You can use guided meditation specifically designed for chakra balancing, or visualize the color associated with each chakra to enhance the balancing process. For example, when meditating on the root chakra, visualize a vibrant red color, as this is the color associated with this chakra. Feel this color filling up your entire body, starting from the base of your spine and spreading upwards. As you do this, you'll feel more grounded and connected to the earth. As you move up to the sacral chakra, visualize an orange color. This chakra is associated with creativity and emotional balance. As you meditate on this chakra, invite feelings of joy, passion, and creativity into your life. Next up is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you overcome negative thoughts and beliefs. By repeating these statements, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind and creating positive changes in your life. For chakra balancing, you can use affirmations related to each chakra's unique characteristics and functions. For instance, for the heart chakra, an affirmation could be, "I am open to giving and receiving love freely." For the throat chakra, you might say, "I express myself confidently and clearly." Repeat these affirmations daily, and you'll notice a shift in your energy and mindset. Yoga is another effective technique for chakra balancing. Specific yoga poses can help stimulate and balance each chakra. For example, the warrior pose is great for the solar plexus chakra, which is all about personal power and self-esteem. This pose can help you feel more confident and empowered. The bridge pose, on the other hand, is beneficial for the throat chakra, promoting clear communication and self-expression. Color therapy, also known as chromotherapy, is a technique that uses color to balance the chakras. Each chakra is associated with a specific color, and by surrounding yourself with these colors, you can stimulate and balance the corresponding chakra. You can incorporate color therapy into your daily life by wearing clothes of a specific color, eating fruits and vegetables of that color, or even painting a room in that color. Finally, we have sound healing. This technique uses different sound frequencies to balance the chakras. Each chakra corresponds to a specific sound frequency, often represented by a syllable or sound. For instance, the sound for the heart chakra is yam. You can chant these sounds during meditation to balance the chakras. Alternatively, you can listen to music or sounds tuned to these frequencies. In conclusion, there are numerous techniques available for chakra balancing, and you can choose the ones that resonate with you the most. You might find that a combination of these techniques works best for you. Remember, the key to successful chakra balancing lies in consistency and patience. It's not a one-time process, but a journey of self-discovery and healing. So, give yourself the time and space to explore these techniques, and you'll soon find your energy levels rising, your mind becoming clearer, and your life filling with more joy and harmony. Remember, the key to successful chakra balancing lies in consistency and patience. You may ask, why should I invest time in chakra balancing? Well, let's dive into the myriad benefits this practice can bring to your life, providing you with a holistic sense of well-being that extends beyond just physical health. Firstly, let's talk about the physical benefits. When your chakras are balanced, it can help improve your overall physical health. Each chakra corresponds to specific organs and systems in your body. By balancing these energy centers, you're essentially ensuring the smooth functioning of your body's vital systems, from your nervous system to your digestive system. So, it's not surprising to find that people who regularly balance their chakras report fewer health issues. Now let's move to the emotional plane. Emotional stability is another notable benefit of chakra balancing. Our emotions are deeply intertwined with our energetic body, and when there's a blockage or imbalance in our chakras, it can manifest as emotional turbulence. By balancing your chakras, you're allowing your emotions to flow freely, leading to greater emotional resilience and stability. You'll find yourself better equipped to handle life's ups and downs with grace and composure. Next on the list is increased energy. When your chakras are balanced, energy can flow freely through your body. This can lead to a noticeable increase in your vitality and zest for life. You'll find that you have more energy to do the things you love, and you might even notice an increased ability to focus and concentrate. Chakra balancing can also have a profound impact on your relationships. When your chakras are balanced, you're more likely to be in tune with your own needs and the needs of others. You'll find yourself communicating more effectively and relating to others with more authenticity. This can lead to stronger, healthier relationships, both professionally and personally. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about spiritual growth. The practice of chakra balancing is inherently spiritual and can lead to profound personal and spiritual growth. When your chakras are balanced, you're more likely to feel connected to the universe and your place within it. You might find yourself experiencing a heightened sense of intuition and a deeper understanding of your life's purpose. In a world that's increasingly busy and chaotic, the practice of chakra balancing provides a much-needed sanctuary. It encourages you to slow down, to tune into your body, and to connect with yourself on a deeper level. It's not just about improving your physical health or emotional stability, it's about fostering a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. It's important to remember that chakra balancing isn't a one-time fix. It's a practice that requires consistency and dedication, but the rewards, as you can see, are manifold. And the beauty of it is that anyone can learn to balance their chakras. It doesn't require any special skills or abilities, just an open mind and a willingness to explore the depths of your own energetic body. So whether you're seeking to improve your physical health, gain emotional stability, increase your energy, foster better relationships, or embark on a journey of spiritual growth, chakra balancing holds the key. It's a practice that's been around for thousands of years, and its benefits are just as relevant today as they were back then. Balancing your chakras can truly transform your life in ways you can't even imagine. So why not give it a try? You might just find that it's exactly what you've been looking for. Despite its popularity, there are several myths surrounding chakras and chakra balancing. Let's dive in and debunk some of these myths. One common misconception is that chakras are a physical entity. In reality, chakras are not physical elements that you can touch or see. Instead, they are focal points of spiritual and emotional energies that are believed to reside within us. Another myth that often circulates is that chakras are a New Age concept. However, the understanding and study of chakras actually date back thousands of years to ancient Indian spiritual traditions. Chakras are not a fleeting trend, but a long-standing aspect of human spirituality. One might also hear that all chakra imbalances are bad. This is not entirely accurate. Just as life has its ups and downs, our energy levels fluctuate, and these shifts can affect our chakras. It's a natural process, and sometimes these imbalances can serve as signals, guiding us towards areas in our life that need attention or change. A further myth is that chakra balancing can be achieved quickly. While we all wish for a quick fix, chakra balancing is not an overnight process. It requires time, patience, and consistent practice. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with oneself and nurturing our overall well-being. Lastly, there's the myth that chakra balancing is only for the spiritually enlightened or yoga practitioners. Chakra balancing is a tool that anyone can use, regardless of their spiritual beliefs or physical abilities. It's about self-discovery, understanding, and personal growth. So, don't let these myths deter you from exploring chakras and chakra balancing. Remember, it's not about conforming to a set of rigid rules or beliefs. It's about your personal journey of self-discovery and understanding. The key is to approach it with an open mind, curiosity, and a willingness to learn. Give yourself the freedom to explore, experience, and interpret chakras and chakra balancing in a way that resonates with you. Chakra balancing is a personal journey, and it's essential to approach it with an open mind. Now that you've learned about chakras and chakra balancing, it's time to recap. We started off by introducing you to the concept of chakras. These are the 7 energy centers in our body, each playing a crucial role in our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Next, we delved into the understanding of chakra imbalances. We explored how misaligned energy can disrupt our life, causing physical ailments and emotional turmoil. This imbalance can stem from a myriad of factors, including stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, or emotional trauma. Then we ventured into the process of chakra balancing. We learned that it's not a one-time event, but a journey, an ongoing practice that requires commitment and patience. The goal is to ensure that energy can flow freely through our bodies. When our chakras are balanced, we are at our optimal state of being. We then explored various techniques for chakra balancing, each with its own charm. From meditation and yoga to crystals and essential oils, there are so many ways to help restore balance to our energy centers. The key is to find the method that resonates with you. We also highlighted the benefits of chakra balancing. It's not just about feeling better on a physical level. It's about achieving emotional stability, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. It's about developing a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Lastly, we debunked some common myths about chakras and chakra balancing. We learned that it's not a quick fix, but a journey of self-discovery and healing. We also discovered that chakra balancing is not about perfection, but about balance and harmony. With this knowledge, you are now equipped to start your journey towards chakra balancing and a more balanced life. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.